Okay, hi, this is Kyle.
This is Omar.
And we're creating gum with electrolytes to energize and help people. Well, our first step would be boiling the water to soften the corn syrup. And we decided to choose a microwave and not the stove, so we heat it up for 2 minutes.
Boiled the water.
Clearly. So we need to put the cornstarch in there.
Take the corn.
Just put the packet right in the water so it gets nice and melted.
Yeah.
And then
God,
we have to melt the gum base
in the microwave or the pot still.
So we put this. We have to put it in here. Take this out of the bag.
Oh, you can microwave this, but only once.
We put this in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds, or additional 30 seconds if it's not melted enough. And once it does get melted, this is a confectioner sugar. We're going to put half of the packet in so the gum doesn't stick to everything. There we go.
Should we like spread it a little bit?
Yes.
We have microwave the gum base.
So now it's nice and sticky and like gum. So next we pour, what is it? So next we squeeze the now extremely soft corn syrup onto the gum.
Okay.
Careful, son.
Omar will mix it. Okay.
We've mixed it.
We've mixed it, so now we empty it onto the sugar. It's really sticky, isn't it?
Yeah. Hopefully the gum won't be like that when we're done.
There's a lot of it. Also, it won't be completely sticky and we'll be able to handle it. We have to coat it in sugar. Nice. And me and Omar both have equal portions of the gum, and we need to completely fill. We have to like fill up the thing with sugar by kneading it in.
Knead the gum base thing, yeah.
So now we've used up all the sugar.
Yep. And we're gonna put the flavoring onto the gum, yeah.
And so this right here is the gum that came in the kit itself. This has like no electrolytes and is just regular bubblegum flavor.
Yeah.
And this is Gatorade 2, which we proved has a lot of electrolytes in it. And this is Hawaiian Punch flavor. So now we're going to pour this out and mix it into the gum exactly as we did with the sugar.
And I'm doing the same for the regular flavor.
Now that we've completely filled our gum with the flavoring,
yes,
we need to add more sugar to it.
So now we're putting the more sugar onto the gum base. Okay, so we're going to be pouring this into here.
We're going to finish up kneading. Knead the rest of it in sugar. Get nice and tasty. So our next step to be able to test it, we have to cut it into same size pieces. Now that we've cut them both into equal pieces, we need to prove that this one right here has more electrolytes than this one.
Yeah.
This is our experiment. Here is 3 cups and 3 cups here. Okay, so here's our control. It's just distilled water. Here's another per se control. We're going to put this gum right here, the gum that we believe does not have any electrolytes, and then the gum that we believe has electrolytes in here. And we're going to dip this into each of the water, and this meter is going to show how much electrolytes are in there. And see, it works because this battery creates a current to here. Normally, because there's nothing to conduct electricity right here, the meter will show up at 0. But when we dip it into water with electrolytes, because electrolytes basically is electrons and electricity.
Water, yeah.
So first, let's test our distilled water.
First control.
As you can see, 0, because there's nothing to conduct the electricity. And we have it set to the correct thing, so it'll now be able to test for electrolytes. So let's first dip this into the water. And see, no change. Meaning the water has literally no electrolytes.
Blank. Nothing.
So we're going to put the gum here a minute early, so the electrolytes that's in the gum can come out into the water.
So we're gonna put this one there now. Put this one there.
Okay. Now that this is reset, and as you can see, there was absolutely nothing here. Let's put this in here and see how much electrolytes is in this.
It's empty. Nothing.
Just clear everything of the powder and stuff. We dip it each 3 times in here, so it's completely nice and clean.
And dry.
And then we dry it off over here. Okay, now the moment of truth. Let's see. 6.6. 5. That proves that Gatorade has a lot more electrolytes than
water.
And regular gum.